Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're diving into how to install D5 Render for SketchUp in 2025, the right way, so you can start creating stunning real-time renders without the hassle. Let's get straight into it. First things first, make sure you've already got SketchUp installed on your PC. D5 Render works best with the Pro version of SketchUp 2021 and later, so having the updated version helps with compatibility and plugin performance. Now head over to the official D5 Render website. Look for the download section and choose the latest version of the software for Windows, since D5 currently only supports Windows systems. Once downloaded, run the installer and go through the setup steps, just like with any standard application. After you install D5 Render, open it once so it can finish initializing all its components. Then you'll need to install the D5 converter for SketchUp. This is the bridge plugin that allows you to export your SketchUp models directly into D5 Render. To get the converter, go back to the D5 Render site and navigate to the Plugins section. Find the SketchUp plugin and download the version that matches your SketchUp version. Once downloaded, open SketchUp, go to Window Extension Manager, then click Install Extension and upload the RBZ file you just got. After installation, you'll notice a new D5 Exporter tab on your SketchUp toolbar. Open your SketchUp project, click the Exporter button, and you'll see options to either export directly to D5 Render or send a live link if you want to sync and edit in real time. One quick tip: if you're aiming for real-time rendering with no lag, make sure your graphics card meets the minimum requirements. D5 Render needs a pretty decent GPU, like an NVIDIA RTX 2060 or better, to really shine. And that's it. You're now ready to render your SketchUp scenes with D5 in real time, complete with realistic lighting, weather effects, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.